Let's build, good people. Let's build. Okay, this week we're gonna get on this Bubba Kush again. We're gonna transplant these solo cups into 1 gallon pots. And I'm taking this coffee filter and I'm putting it in the bottom of the pot to keep the cocoa from washing away. Then I'm just backfilling, but I stick the solo cup inside of the 1 gallon as I backfill. You'll see the importance of that. You're gonna get it all around there, pack it down, not too tight, real easy, real easy. And the purpose of this is to create an easy transition. See how we got the hole right there? If you use any type of mycorrhizae or any other type of root stimulant, that's the time to put that in there.